Thanks for tuning in to the Blade Ops YouTube channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button down below, go ahead and do so. Get all our latest videos. Today we're taking a look at the Boker Plus OTF. This is a collaboration between Boker and Hogue and has a blade length of 3.5 inches, has that nice black finish, and is 154 cm steel, which is a fantastic steel. This has a handle length of 4.5 inches and has this nice mosaic finish, and that's milled into those. And these are aluminum and has a nice deep carry pocket clip with some good retention. And this thing weighs only 3.1 ounces. It's very light and will disappear in your pocket. Again, this is kind of a medium weight switch and is really snappy. Fast action on this, and you can pick up your Boker Plus OTF at Blade Ops today.